done getting the oil right out of Speedy. Now this is not the engine oil drain, but this is the transmission oil drain. Do not know how well the camera's picking up. There it goes. I loosened a little bit, and there's water and a little bit of oil coming out. I should probably hold the camera back for this. The majority of that was water. I don't think there's a magnet in that. Well, I'm not going to complain that that was in there. That's good, thick gear oil. There's a little bit of water on the bottom, but that was perfectly good. Actually, a little bit surprised by that. Still under, Speedy? Oh, come on, you were turning it. There we go. This is the main engine oil. You can see just how much water is in that. That's all water. There we go. There's some oil. Oh, nope. Do not flash the camera. Uh-oh. 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 Got the clutch inspection cover off. The camera focus. That is just nasty. So I think I'm going to just take the 1010, lift the cab, and set it there. Although that does leave the issue of later having to lift the dump box off. And I'm going to pull this thing down to the bare frame. Although I can always come in around that way to lift it up behind where I set the cab down. That might work. That also sounds like a much later me problem. that, so you pull the cab off of a 40s Ford. Or at least it's a way. I'm sure there's other ways. And where's the shift lever? Just made some major progress on Speedy. A couple pistons and rods. 4 of them actually out of the block. Most of the other 4 that are still in the block. Gotten pretty well beaten apart. The cool thing is, of course, it decides to be stubborn now. Okay, I found a big wrench. Rotates all the way around. This thing was completely seized. Fortunately, none of the pistons are salvageable. Some of these rods might be. But what I really like about them, can't see it on that one. Huh. Maybe it's had some of the pistons replaced. Now you can see it on this one. It says Ford and USA on there. It's made in companies were proud of the products they made. You can see the same thing in there on the arm on the dump body. The galleon on it, so they were proud of their product. Another cool thing I found is top of the PTO says exactly what it is. It's stamped into the metal there. It's a nice detail. Still can't believe I got it to free up. Still in the truck. Spins over freely too. Like, despite the fact that it's got the remains of the rings dragging along in there. There's a bunch of squeaks and noise. It does really roll over smoothly. Probably the first time that engine's spun over since '76. And I did find that the bearing on, what is this? I don't remember exactly what numbers it is off the top of my head, but this bearing, they're these big wide things that cover both rod caps of this piston and this one. That one had spun pretty severely, so that would have been loud when it was running. But it spins. Thanks for watching.